Kajing kendu lang bashisin sausnam 8 quadrennial bapra jo kaseng ki khanna school barim Don Bosco past pupils congress kalakut hakapu ka Phieng. Ya kajing lang penwan la penkut da argut ki MDC ke sor Shillong ba Michael Wankar na laban ba Fantin lakadong na lat mkra. Uba Valerian Pakma President Shillong Province Federation ula khliap ya kalama jo kaseng bat pen khamti ha uketan gala national president jo kaseng ki khanna school barim. Uketan gala haka jingkran lengkot ula yaro eke pas pupil Shillong bakila pen kre janai ban pen long ekani ka jingelang ba. Reverend Father Paul O Lingkot, Provincial Reverend Father A.L. Jos bat bon ngot ki father bat ki sister bat ki pas pupil na Shillong kila dan lang hakani ka jingelang penwai. Lasami ki jing ais ngau bahasa ken mau bat ki certificate sha baro kitu ki balawan syakani ka jingelang ba. Ki pas pupil na saviu generate maulai kila pen kut da ki jingput jing tembas ngau thiang.
And I wish to add a twist to it a little bit. A grateful province is a good province, is an appreciable province. I'm proposing the vote of thanks. First up, I would like to thank Shri Conrad Sangma at the end of this program, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, for being a generous supporter and a chief guest last night. We thank Shri D.P. Watlang, the Honorable Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, also for being supportive and being the chief guest yesterday. Then we have had MLAs, and one more will come this evening, later tonight. Madam Amparine Lingdo, she will be the chief guest of the evening. We would like to put on record our gratitude to the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District for granting the permission for holding this 8th National Congress of the Past Pupils of Don Bosco. Please accept our gratitude, dear Salesian delegates at the national level, Father Joseph Manipadam, at the provincial level and the unit level for your motivation and your animation. And I wish again to say thank you, a big thank you to our own Father Delegate, Provincial Delegate. Thank you to the National Federation team, the President Shri Ketan Gala, the Secretary Stafford Mantle, and their Executive Committee. First, for the permission you gave us, allowing us to hold the 8th National Congress, and for the consistent support and for the consistent following up and the things, everything that you have done, including the gesture, the very kind gesture that you did to us just a few minutes back. I would like to say a big thank you to the leaders and the past peoples from Mumbai, Dimapur, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Trichy, for the sacrifices you have made in terms of money, in terms of time, in terms of distance from home, the adjustments with the food, with everything, with the cold, and I only say that God will bless you for your kindness. Thank you to the FMA sisters, in particular the provincial of Shillong province, and the FMA past pupils under the leadership of Kong Amabilis for the gifts, the posies, the bouquets, and for the decoration that you have done to this pandal, to this place. We would like to place on record our gratitude to the different people in charge of the different areas of the logistics, registration kit, mementos, in particular Reverend Father Anthony Karpongor, for the mementos that we just gave to you, for taking the trouble of ordering them all the way from Kolkata. And I still am confused. The mementos came from Kolkata, and not one delegate came from Kolkata. Maybe their spirit is in the mementos as well. So, then we would like to place on record our gratitude to the Pastoral Center community, Red Gables, this place, in which we have this 8th National Congress, the fathers, Brother Johnny, the boys, and the working staff here. Thank you so much for your generosity and for allowing us again to hold it here. Thank you, Bosco Media, under the leadership of Father Makri, in particular, the two ladies, and very particularly Kong Jane for being till now, till even later, and for the beautiful photograph that I have not seen. Thank you, sound engineers, Pak Charles. I just told my friend Damien that I get to come to a gathering with a perfect sound like this one. Very rare, with no jarring sound and all. And thank you for the Pamel people for making such a wonderful place. Thank you, our LCD friends, for taking care of the presentations and all. Thank you for the power people, the generator people. Thank you, DPCIC, DPTL, St. Anthony's School for the buses, the rectors, the administrators, and the principal, the police department, even though you created a bit of discomfort yesterday. Thank you to the caterers for the food, for giving us the energy. Thank you to the performers, the artists, Adivasi Punar Kasi Nikir, Garo, the beautiful black ladies yesterday, Kongda Palay and all, and the wonderful kids, Tarari Choir from Nonstoin. Thank you, the past peoples from Shillong province, some in particular who have done a lot of work and have moved biggest stones in ensuring the success of the hosting of the National Congress. Thank you, the committees and the chairman of Transport, Food, Sanitation, Registration, Reception, Entertainment, and of the Holy Mass. I would like to put on record, I hope he is here now, Bak Krao for taking the trouble of getting up and coming here all the way to play the organ every day, including tomorrow. Thank you to the entertainers who have performed, who will perform, and it is such a kind gesture. You do it without charging us. The leaders from each unit and the members of each unit of our province. And I will not say much. Thank you, Mr. President. Don't cry. I will only say this. Thank you. Thank you for not detecting my pretense. I always escaped. I would, being the secretary, he would ask me to come for some work, to come for some journey with him with regard to this work. I would say, Mr. President, I am the secretary. I have to write this and that. And the work that I would take 5 minutes, I would say that my mind is not working, so I would take it. I would take some 2 hours, 3 hours to write it. And thank you for smiling even of that very nasty confession. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you for not counting our shortcomings. Thank you for your appreciation. In the refectory, in the ground there, anywhere I meet you, you smile and then you say, job well done, job well done. I am already counting, making a list of the things we have missed, and for that I am really sorry. Forget me saying sorry. Take only the good memories, please. We wish and pray that you have a safe journey back home, and let us cherish the good memories we have had. I know it has been quite cold, very cloudy at times, but you came to the home of the clouds. Meghalaya, the abode of clouds. And let every small cloud that you have later remind you of the beautiful time we have spent together. And I wish you the best of health, all graces of God, as you continue, as we continue in our mission, that is Don Bosco's mission. And while we continue in our mission, may you never have your peace diminished. Your peace should only increase. Your peace in your homes and your peace in your environments.
Like you,